If we want our lives to have real meaning, then we have to cultivate virtue. And the queen of virtues is humility. As human beings, we do two things. We know and we love. To know and to love really takes humility. To know, you have to be open to what it is to know. And to love means to sacrifice. It means to really put it on the line for other people. I think another key virtue in leadership is courage. If you look at courageous leadership, it's not always easy to step into the breach and to try to do the right thing, even in the face of putting yourself out there in front of people in ways where they're gonna come after you. Calling attention to goodness and truth and beauty in the world can sometimes be putting yourself out there and going against the flow a little bit. Is that at the very heart of all of this, what we all need right now is leadership. And leadership experts really believe, they all agree, that at the very heart of leadership is what I would call a Socratic ideal. Know yourself. Know who you are. Figure out, and you said that. Know who you are. Know what you're about. What is it that I live my life by? What's at the core, at the heart of who I am and what I hold up as the highest good in my life that's gonna be my North Star and help me live the life that I wanna live. And then the second thing the leadership experts all agree is once you know who you are, figure out how to control yourself. Because we're all unique. We all have unique strengths. We all have unique weaknesses. We all have issues that we have to deal with in our life. And that's where I think the virtues really kind of help point us in the right direction of how do you control yourself? I used to teach a course at Notre Dame on technology and ethics. Technology is a wonderful thing, and it's a very human thing, but we should never, ever confuse technology for the goods of being human. It's just technology. All it is power. It has no ethical value. It's not good or bad. It can be used in bad ways. It can be used in really good ways. A machine's a tool. A computer's a tool, just like a hammer or a screwdriver or whatever. And we should learn how to optimize our engagement with the tool to maximize what's our ideal world look like. Whatever that happens to be. If your ideal world is, I want to get all this additional productivity, great. Use the machine to do that. But if your ideal world is, I want to use this machine to free me up so that I have the time to spend engaging with people and building real friendships, not, acquaintances. If that's your ideal world, great. Use the machine to do that. Failure is the cornerstone of success. So every important thing you ever did in your life, you failed at first. Walking, talking, making friends. Every important thing you ever did in your life, you failed at. Because those are the moments in your life where you are maybe challenged the most, and those are the moments where you really learn the most. And if leadership is all about knowing who you are, and that's the moment where you learn the most about yourself, you called it a lightning bolt moment. That's a transformative moment. And so don't run away from that. Embrace it.
Love it.